Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying the one layer makeup look, as you guys can see by the title. So if you guys want to see how I achieve the look, please stay tuned and let's get right into the video. I'm just going to start with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I'm just going to apply the concealer where I normally do.
Me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling name.
Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to apply it to these areas. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey.
Tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling. Continue to try to play these games.
For a bit of dark contour, we're going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso.
It's not a home with no so alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
Just to fill in the blank areas, I'm going to go in with some foundation. It's the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat in the shade Medium Beige.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold.
Okay guys, I finished applying my layer and this is what it looks like. I like to let it air dry for a bit and then we're going to go in with my Amora setting spray. I'm just going to apply it all over my face and we can get right into the blending. I'm going to use this really small fluffy brush and I'm going to start by blending the lightest to darkest shades.
Tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. It's not a home with no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? vibe. Keep wasting my time. Keep wasting my time. Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your way.
I'm also going to go in with this large foundation brush just to press into the makeup and ensure that it's blended as much as possible.
Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your way. It's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? What you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
If you feel like your makeup is drying out a bit fast, you can always just add some more setting spray and continue blending.
Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay calling your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
I'm gonna go in with the large foundation brush for one last time just to ensure that everything is flat and blended all together really nicely before I go in with some setting powder. Today's setting powder is the I Am Magic setting powder by Juvia's Place.
What you got is good.
And we're finished. I'm just gonna go off camera, add some lip gloss and some lashes, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished product.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really did love this hack and I will use it again in the future. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!